Good day, sir. I am GPT Campaner from BSMT1 Bravo. So today I'm going to discuss about the surface area and the volume of a cone, pyramid, cylinder, sphere, cube, and prism. So here's the cone, pyramid, cylinder, sphere, cube, and prism. So first, what is the surface area and volume? So surface area is the total area of all the faces of an object. Surface area is measured into square units. So first is cone. Example problem. A cone has a radius of 5 cm and a slant of height of 12 cm. So formula of surface area, A equals pi r squared plus pi r length. So A equals pi r length plus pi, close under parenthesis 5 squared plus pi, close parenthesis 5 and 12. So it equals to 25 plus 60 equals 85 centimeters squared. Then 85 times, so ano siya is 3.14 equals to 66.9 centimeter squared. So next is the formula of volume. A equals 1 over 3 pi r height squared h, so equals 1 over 3 close on open parenthesis 5 squared. So the height is 10.91 using the Pythagorean theorem. So it equals to 1 over 3 pi to 72.75, so equals 90.92 centimeter cube. So 90.92 centimeter cube equals to 85.49 centimeter cube. So the next is pyramid. So example problem, a square pyramid has a base edge of 8 centimeter and a slant height of 10 centimeter. So formula of the surface area is base area plus lateral area. So base area is 8 squared equals 64 centimeter squared. The lateral area is 1 over 2 times perimeter times slant height. So equals to 1 over 2 times 4 times 8 times 10 equals 1 over 2 times 32 times 10. So it equals to 160 centimeter squared. So A equals 64 plus 160 equals 224 centimeter squared. And the formula of volume is V equals 1 over 3 times base area times height. So volume equals 1 over 3 times 64 times 9.17 equals 1 over 3 times 586.88. So it equals to 195.63 centimeter cube. So next is cylinder. So example problem, a cylinder has a radius of 6 centimeter and a height of 10 centimeter. So the surface area formula is 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. So A equals 2 pi 6 squared plus 2 pi 6 and 10 equals 2 pi 36 equals 72 centimeter squared equals 120 pi centimeter squared. So area equals 192 times 3.14 equals 602.88 centimeter squared. And the volume formula is pi r squared height. So volume equals pi 6 squared close and open parenthesis 10 equals pi 36 and 10, so equals 360 pi centimeter cube. So the volume is 360 times 3.14 equals 1130.4 centimeter cube. Next is sphere. So example problem, a sphere has a radius of 7 centimeter. So surface area is 4 pi r squared. So area equals 4 pi 7 squared equals 4 pi 49 equals 196. So A equals 196, so it equals to 784 centimeter cube. And the volume is 4 over 3 pi r squared. So volume equals 4 over 3 pi, so close and open parenthesis 7 cube equals 4 over 3 pi 343. So 4 over 3 times 343 equals 4 times 343 over 3. So it equals to 1372 over 3. So equals to 457.3 centimeter cube. So the volume is 457.3 pi equals 1435.9 centimeter cube. So next is cube. So example problem. A cube has a side length of 8 centimeter. So the formula of surface area is 6a squared. So a equals 8 centimeter. This is the side length of the cube. So a equals 6, close on open parenthesis, 8 squared equals 6, close on open parenthesis, 64. So it equals to 384 centimeter squared. So the area is equals to 384 centimeter squared, and the volume is V equals A cube. So A equals 8 centimeter and volume is equals to 8 cube equals 512 centimeter cube. So volume is equals to 512 centimeter cube. So last is prism. So example problem, rectangular prism has length equals 8 centimeter and the width is 5 centimeter and the height is 10 centimeter. So formula of surface area is 2 length width plus 2 length height plus 2 width and height. So A equals 2 close and open parenthesis 8 and 5 plus 2 close and open parenthesis 8 and 10 plus 2 close and open parenthesis 5 and 10. So it equals to 80 plus 160 plus 100. So it equals to 240 centimeter squared, and the volume is length times width times height. So volume is equals to 8 times 5 times 10. So it equals to 400 centimeter cube. So that's all, and thank you.